Hi there, I made a Lego light switch cover. This is not really a tutorial, I'm just showing you what I did and how I did it. I used a drill, utility knife, and sandpaper to make this, although retrospectively it would have probably been easier and more precise to use a rotary Dremel tool. It is extremely important to use hand and eye protection as well as use extreme caution if you attempt to do something like this. I'm totally serious. I've had pieces of utility knife snap unexpectedly and go flying. I've also cut my fingers more times than I wish to count. Keep your eyeballs and fingers intact. Now moving on. First, I took a spare piece of non-genuine Lego style board along with proper wall switch plate to use as a template for the openings. I used Lego strips as a guide for where to cut. I scored the plate in multiple times along the strips. This creates a weak point in the Lego plate where it will just snap off by bending it. I repeated this for all four sides. It was very important to sand the edges because the scored plastic was extremely sharp in places. I marked the switch opening, then proceeded to create an initial opening using a small drill bit. I hacked away at it for quite some time with a utility knife. Here is where the rotary Dremel would have come in extremely handy. I drilled out the holes for the switch cover screws, did some final cleanup to make everything straight, and some light sanding to remove any sharp edges that were left. An original light switch cover is beveled to account for screws underneath it, but the homemade Lego variety is not beveled. This causes the plate to twist when originally installed. I solved this by simply mounting the Lego plate directly on top of the original one. The screws were long enough, plus now the electrical switch is fully sealed off. Hopefully you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to help me make more videos and help improve the production quality. Thanks so much and see you in the next video.